wettest channel on the internet.
Y welcome back, y dale que los vamos. And well, this is part 2 for the Labor Day weekend, and we're back on the water. But you know what? We got a little steering problem. One of the main hoses got a pinch, so we have no steering at all. But that's not a problem, and that's not gonna keep us back. But then you ask yourself, how are you gonna turn right and left? Well, that's really easy if you're a long-time boater like me, or even Fresquito that learned pretty quick. So we steered out of the marina with just the motors. And at no time at all, we're cruising by haulover Sandbar north, and you're gonna notice all the big boys are out today. And normally the bigger boats hang out at haulover north, while the rest of us hang out down south, because at low tide it gets about 2.5 feet deep. Well, this is our third time setting up the party banner, and we're getting pretty good at this. We inflated it and set it up within 15 minutes. Not bad for some rookies, right?
It's on, baby, it's on.
And well, there you go. The party banner is up. I'm running and ready to have some fun in the sun. But now, all that work and exercising got me kind of hungry. So, what time is it? What time is it? Well, it's food time, and today we got a special chef.
El chef de hoy. Hoy tenemos un cook nuevo, no, el comando. Para cook and smoke.
Well, I guess you could literally say we have a smoking cook. So while she cooks up and smokes lunch for us, we're gonna go ahead and check out what the rest of the boaters here are doing on a beautiful Sunday afternoon on a Labor Day weekend, because the party just started. And like you notice, everybody's enjoying their Sunday here at haulover Sandbar South. And you know what else is going on? A lot of people are doing the individual thing, but at the same time, one thing together, and that is having fun in the sun. And talking about fun, we have more friends and fans on the party banner, so let's talk to them and see what they think about it.
Tell me what you like about it. You like it?
Hey, you can't go wrong with this. Under the shade, you got water in your feet, and a nice cold one.
Vaya mi gente, saludos, Fresco Channel, ven y disfruta, que aquí es que la vas a pasar bien. Cuba y Puerto Rico, y Miami por supuesto, yes, haulover. Yo, que le metió fuego acá.
Candela, candela.
Alright guys, so we're gonna put the party banner to the happy test. You know what the happy test is? Well, we're gonna stick all these happy people on the party banner and see how many it will hold. And also, let's play a guessing game. I want you to guys guess how many people we had on here and post it on the comments. And I'll give you guys the answer on Tuesday of the next week when I post the next video. And also on Instagram and YouTube community post. And then from there, we're gonna pick 2 winners and give you guys a little gift.
Channel on the internet. Meet me at the marina, get your coolers, grab your bikinis, Sandbar life, Fresco Channel.
Right there, Fresco Channel. ¿Qué cosa fue? ¿Qué cosa fue?
Okay, so last video I asked the audience, why do the ladies make everything look so much better? And a lot of people kind of commented the same thing, and I guess it makes sense. It's like putting icing on the cake. What do you guys think? Well, so far so good. We're all having a great time here playing around with the party banner, and we actually took it to the limits today, and we have plenty of people on there. And the number is, I'm not gonna tell you, remember, this is the guessing part. Look at the video one more time carefully, the part where I had the most people on the party banner, and try to count. And if you get the right number, maybe I'll give you guys a gift or prize, but only to the first 2 winners. So post your guess on the comments, and I'll give you guys the answer on Tuesday of next week. I'll say it in the video, and I'll post it in Instagram and YouTube community posts. And if you're having a good time, let me hear you scream. Well, you can never go wrong hanging out with good people. You're always gonna have a good time, like we did today. If you guys were out here this weekend at Haulover, I noticed something kind of strange. There was a lot of jellyfish in the water, and normally, to my experience, jellyfish only come when the water is cold, and right now it's still hot. Or maybe the jellyfish just wanted to hang out with us today on this beautiful Labor Day weekend. And look at this, we even offer ferry service right to your boat.
All the way from Texas. I got from Texas. Right here. Texas. San Antonio.
And well, by the look of things, I don't think the party's gonna stop anytime soon. What do you guys think? I think it's just warming up, but don't think we're the only ones here. We have plenty of Miami boaters still enjoying fun in the sun. Well, in the late sun. And I want to share something with you guys because I've gotten similar comments on my videos, and basically they're saying that they love watching my videos because as soon as they start watching them, it brings a smile to their face and it makes their day a little better because of all the crazy things that's going around the world today. And I'm glad you guys really enjoy the videos and it brings a little peace of happiness to your life. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching and sharing it with your friends.
Yeah, you need to get the music in the background. You want to drink it or wear it?
And the day keeps on getting even better because now we're going to witness a unique sunset. Well, I guess it's never too late to take some more pictures. And yep, definitely, by the look of things, I don't think we're going anywhere. But I have to get going because I still have to disinflate the party banner, pick up everything, and remember guys, my steering is broken. So I have to go very slow back to the ramp.